Hello! So let's register online. Now here, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Edmonds Community College webpage. So what I'll do is I'll go to my navigation bar, I'll type www.edcc.edu. Click enter, and now here I am. Now the word that I need to look for next is the word enroll. Enroll is right here. So I'll click on Enroll, and that will bring me to another menu. That menu is right here. So what I want to do next is find Class Schedule. Class Schedule is located right here. So I'll click on Class Schedule. Now that will bring me to the Class Schedule page. Now what I need to do next is on this side of the page, on the right side of the page. So I'll scroll down. I'll find the words Register Online, which are right here. So I'll find Register Online. I'll click on that. Now that brings me to the registration login page. What we need to do for this is type our student number. So I'll type that. And then we need to type our personal identification number, or our PIN number. Our PIN number is the date of birth. So I'm going to type my date of birth right here. Next, I need to select the quarter. Now the quarter, here it says winter 2020. I don't want that because that's this quarter. I want to sign up for spring. So I click here, click on spring quarter. Now I'm ready to click register. So I'll find register, I'll click here, which will bring me to this page. Now next, there's a button that says continue. So I'll click on continue. Now when you click on continue, you will see pages that look like this. It says, what is your main long-term goal for attending this college? If you are here to take courses related to your current or future work, click on this button. If you want to transfer to a four-year college in the future, click here. If you are here to get a high school diploma or GED, click here. If you are here to explore career direction, and what that means is try to find a better job, try to find what you would like to do with your career, click there. Or here, personal enrichment. That means if you are here to study English just for your own life, click there. Or other, you can click here. Click on any one of these. Next, there's a question about sexual orientation. You can click prefer not to answer here. And here, what is your gender identity? You can also click prefer not to answer. After you click that, go to continue and click here. That will bring you to this screen. Now this screen is where we will do the work for registering. Now here it says at the top, type the item numbers of the classes you want to add or drop. Now just for this explanation, I'm going to type in the item number for level 3 at 7:30 a.m. That's 3460. Now let's say that I would like a lab. If I want to take the lab class at 9:30, I can type 3616. Now, your teacher will send you the item numbers that you need to write in these boxes here when you register. Next, now I have my class and I have my lab. Now, if I want to get a bus pass for this quarter, what I can do, if I already have a bus pass, is type QBP4. This is for if I already have a bus pass. If I don't have a bus pass, but I want to get a bus pass, then what I will do is I will type ORC4, and that will get me a new bus pass. A new bus pass costs $36. A bus pass renewal costs $26. Now that I have my class, my lab, and my bus pass, if I want it, I can click Submit, Add, or Drop. Now I'm going to erase the bus pass from this one because I don't need a bus pass. But if you do need a bus pass, leave it there. So now I'll click Submit, Add, Drop. Ta-da! Now here I have my schedule. My schedule is located right here. Now, what I can do is take a picture of this, and I will know the building and the room, I will know who my teachers are, and I'll know my time of class. Next, what I want to do now is to finish. So I'll click down here at Finish. Now, if I want to pay right now, what I can do is click on Web Credit Card Payment. I'll click here. I'll type my number again. I'll type my date of birth again. Now here it says select quarter. I'm looking for spring quarter, so I'll click on Spring 2020. So now I'll click Get Charges. And then I enter in my credit card information. And after that, I would click Charge my credit card. Then it will give me a receipt and I'll be done. So that is how to register online. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe and take care.